Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create Facebook business account. So open your Facebook and now you created business account and go to your page. So go to your three dots again, profile, and click to pages and click this page, test, and get start, and fill out this your create your page. What category best, what do you want the name this page? I type test. Do you have a website for test too? So if you have, you can mention. If you not, you can allow I don't have website. And add image to this page of your profile page and keep the done and tap to retry. And important tips you can read when you have free. Your business account is created. This is how to create your business account. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.